So this is the way this area look after I sand it. Remember, this is a wood filler, and what I'm going to do now, I'm going to actually paint it with sanding glass. To paint this frame, as you can see here, I'm using this type of a brush, as you can see here. Let's actually go to all the corner with no problems. And this brush just for the kind of corner that I cannot reach. And this brush for the rest of the frame. So that's the way I'm actually going to approach this door, this frame. So I will continue the brushing here and I'll show you the end result. So this is the end result of this painting of this frame. Okay, and I want to show you the way it's look where I actually put the wood, wood filler here. It was here, you remember? There's no sign for it. That's the way it's look from here. That's the way it's look from inside the shower or the bathroom. As you can see, no issue whatsoever.